hope to see if it works.
Yeah, you've got to blow them cobwebs out. It's been sat up for 2 years, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Well, it's nearly 2.5 years since I shot the Fairmont ESP at the start of its restoration journey, and a whole 6 months on since I filmed Brian and his wife picking it up. In that time, it's been in body and paint for, it seemed, well over a year, and back to the now sadly demised workshop of Grand Tourer in Campbellfield, where Mick and the crew guided the restoration to what we have today. Grand Tour is now a parts business relocated to Queensland, but Mick himself moved just down the road, along with a number of projects, to work alongside Waleed at his place, the GT Factory, still in spitting distance of the Ford Broadmeadows factory where these and the famous GT Falcons came down the assembly line. But in a break from the norm, as we don't usually feature owners in videos on this channel, but I've been continuously asked online when it was coming. So let's get to it. 2-year journey, Mick.
It is, yeah. It's been a while, but we got there in the end.
Yeah. What was the biggest? I mean, we waited. God knows, we waited for a bloody year for the paint to be done, didn't we?
Yeah, it's just for paint and panel, and we're sort of working in between other cars with the nationals going on as well, which sort of slowed it down a bit. But no, it's coming out really, really nice.
Hello. Good morning. How you doing?
Guys, how are you?
Good. How are you? Do you remember me? I was doing the same thing. Yeah? Hi, it's David. How are you? Hello there. Hey. Hello, Jeff.
Hi, Brian. How you going?
Yeah.
Good. That's good. How you going, Brian?
Good. How are you?
So,
Thank you.
can I take that a sec?
Yeah, go for it.
So, Brian.
Yep.
You're finally getting your car back.
Finally.
Yeah.
2 years and 2 months and 2 days.
We weren't expecting it. Is that really? Yeah. We weren't expecting that back when we put it on that truck, were we?
No.
No.
Certainly not. Certainly not.
But it's.
But, you know, these things take time.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Yeah.
Hello, and I hope you're enjoying this video. If you'd like to help the channel further, it'd be really appreciative if you could like, comment and share amongst your friends and on your social media. And best of all, you can subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified as soon as the next video drops. See you soon. It looks the part, eh?
Yeah.
Excited?
I certainly am.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit...
Trepidatious?
Yes, that's the word.
Right, yeah.
But, you know, it's a beautiful car.
Oh, it's stunning. It's stunning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Worth every penny. But what sort of usage are you going to put it to?
Not too much nowadays.
Yeah. Well, not at 4.9 litres at $2.
Now. But we'll take it for trips and that sort of thing.
You need to get it to a show or two, don't you?
Yeah.
I reckon. The Ford. What's that Ford show out at Geelong? I'll be waiting to see you.
I suppose I will.
Yeah. There's a closed door.
Yep.
Respray. Fantastic job on the paint, eh?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
And an engine build.
Yep.
Wow.
Yep.
I mean, they've done a bloody good job on that, eh? Yeah.
I'm pleased that other thing that was on the top was gone.
Oh, the gas and all that stuff? Yeah.
Yeah.
We cleaned all of it out. So, now it's as it would have been out of the factory, really. So,
So when we had this,
So it did have LPG on it, didn't it? Yeah. Mick, tell us about the hardest part that, what you had to deal with here. Take that, bud.
Yep. It wasn't really a hard part to it. Probably it's just at the previous place we were doing earlier cars, so we didn't have certain little clips and stuff for the trims. But what's great about these cars now, they're becoming really popular. They're sort of like the new, as I was saying to Wally, like the new XY almost. So now there's a lot of remanufactured parts for them. So we could get all that stuff and put it on. So it wasn't really hard to get anything for it, to be honest.
So it is getting up their popularity now. They're not.
They are really popular. Like they are becoming.
I think
they were the one that people were buying because they were a bit more affordable.
Yeah.
And now they're actually starting to creep up in price now. So they're becoming quite popular. They're the new, like I said, me and Wally, I say to Wally all the time, this is like the next XY.
Yeah, for sure. Even though it's, well, Power-wise,
They weren't the same, but they were an 80s muscle car. So these cars, like you look at this now, it's a beautiful car. But back then, they were still a beautiful car back then, you know?
Yeah, that boxy design or whatever is much more in vogue at the moment.
It's my understanding that there's only 260 built.
Of ESP? No, there'll be more. I can't remember the numbers, but there was less of the 351 manual. Then it was harder to get a 302 manual. And then you get your 302 automatic, and then you actually they were optioned for 6-cylinder as well. So I can't remember exact the numbers, but yeah, they'll.
So it's probably 302 of a manual.
Yeah, of a certain engine combination.
Yeah.
Which one it is, I can't remember. But
yeah.
But when they come out, they're quite popular cars.
Absolutely.
How they looked anyway. So you look at the interior in these things. It's unbelievable.
Yeah.
It does have power steering, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to have a go at it. Yeah. Do you want me to fry? Oh, no. I've got a push button. So
No, so this
Get rid
this
of
one's
the-
ignition ready.
Yeah. So the neighbours will know when I start.
You certainly, yes. Right, okay.
Here we go.
You got it?
Right.
Yep.
Oh, spirited drive away. So you can handle it, don't you worry.
Here we go.
Wow.
Jack, not too
Okay.
bad.
Can you feel the power?
Yeah.
Bit different to the Hyundai.
What are you talking about? Don't you knock my Hyundai. God.
Wow. Well, you look like you're taking to that pretty damn easy there.
Slow down, slow down.
No, have to see if it works. To see if it works.
Yeah, you've got to blow them cobwebs out. It's been sat up for 2 years, hasn't it?
Yeah.
You're only doing 60, but it feels a lot more.
It does it? Well, because of the sound of the
I don't know. Yeah, probably.
That's funny because it's usually in modern cars you don't necessarily feel the bigger speed, but that you're doing. But I think it must be there's something about the sound in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome stuff.
Skirt didn't drag.
Lovely stuff.
I thought mine.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah.
We all safe?
Well, I'm still shaking.
You want Wasn't frightened about putting her foot down. Hey?
Oh, it's a V8. That's what it's supposed to do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's more of a
Yeah, because it's got new rubbers on it.
The rubber's still real plump at the moment, so until they flatten out a bit, you
Yeah.
can do this land.
right.
It's beautiful. Absolutely.
All right. Enjoy yourself, Brian. I'll see you around.
I certainly will. And
Nice.
thank you.
Nice one. I'll send the boys a link to the video and you can watch it on YouTube when we do.
Good.
Nice one. And thanks for allowing me to film with you.
Complete.
Thank you. Good on you. I'll see you out. Okay. Okay. Yeah, you're all right. Right hand down. All right, there you go, Bright. You're on your way, buddy.
See you, Brian.
See you later, mate.
Good on, mate.
Another satisfied customer.